Today we're going to look at the new updated Google Maps. There's a new icon and some features that you might not be familiar with. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you already haven't. Let's get started. Are you aware that Google Maps just turned 15 years old? How did we ever get it around before this? Navigation is one of the main features of Google Maps. Let's take a look at this one first. To start navigation, you type in either in the search bar or you can click the blue navigation button right there on the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to this screen right here. You simply speak or you can type in the search bar there and tell Google Maps where you want to go. There's also two quick links I put there for home and work, where you don't have to just speak it, you just touch the instant access. Once you put in your destination, you get some travel information, such as the time it will take to get there. You can also get traffic delays. This route shows all blue, that means there's no delays. If there is something, it'll be either yellow or red. Here's something that you might not know. If you run across something while you're driving and it's not on the map, you can add a report, such as a crash, a speed trap, or anything like this, or like a slowdown, even construction. This will help your fellow drivers out on the road. Click here to access it while you're driving. Please be sure to follow all state and local rules about using your phone while driving. And here's another tip. If you prefer to have text instead of a map while driving, here's how you change it. The same menu on the lower right hand corner, press directions, and voila, you have a turn-by-turn text instead of a map. You can still have the voice as well. Also, if you want to see where you're going before you get there, Google Maps will allow you to do that. From this screen, simply slide up on the search and you get a detailed view, pictures, and also direct navigation right to where you need to go. Alternate routes are also sometimes shown, plus their time. Sometimes you can use these to avoid traffic. Another important feature is now that Google Maps lets you know the posted speed of the road, and if you click on it, it will give you your actual speed that you're traveling in your vehicle, and the color will change the faster that you go over the posted speed limit, and it will go back to black once you reach under the speed limit. As you get closer to the end, you'll see the red pin. You'll also see at the bottom the time it takes from your current position to get to that red pin, which is your final destination. Also, the closer you get, you might see the camera angles change. Once you get there and you happen to see these dotted lines, sometimes that means you have to walk the rest of the way. There might not be an actual road. This happened to be an apartment complex, so you have to go actually on the property. So sometimes they don't show these on the Google Maps. Now that you're here, you have an opportunity to do a quick survey here and rate your experience on the Google navigation. This helps them to make whether they need to make changes or not. Now let's check out some of the other features of Google Maps. Now, say you're hungry, you want to check out a restaurant in the area. Just click on restaurants and you instantly can see what's available in the area near you. Or you might want to search for local attractions. Just wait for the list to populate and it will get a list of local attractions in the area. This is a nice feature. It allows you to read reviews, see pictures of it before you get there, also to see the closest one. And on the map stage, if you look at this, each red pin is an attraction and the blue dot is you. So you can see your relation to the pins that you have selected, which is the attractions, and just how far they are from your current location. If you click on any one of these, you can see their rating. You can see what they are. Also, you can see when they close. You can get directions right there for navigation right there. Also, you can share this too with friends and family to let them know where you are if you want to meet up. Another cool feature is that when it starts to get dark, it will change to a dark mode. This is the night mode. I think this is a very good idea because when you're driving at night, you don't want a real harsh, bright light staring back at you. I think Google did a very good job of putting night mode on this feature for their app. There's also a place to keep up with your favorites and also places where you've been and you want to go. This is one of my favorites right here, Pizza Place, and it'll give me directions right to it as well. Past places that I've been, Also, you can add reviews. You can become a local guide. I'm a level 7. Believe it or not, this is a very helpful for the community, for people who use Google Maps, to know what places are like before they go and visit themselves. And you can earn perks just for doing that. So thank you for watching this video. I know I might have left out some things. I plan on doing another one. Tell me what you think about this video, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, like this video, and share it. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you again next time.